Hello, hello, it's December 21 and we are about to quilt the partridge's face. Now we're going to have to do some really nice work here, so let's start on the beak. I'm going to do some contour lines that echo the shape of that beak. I'll just turn the job that little bit so you can see what's going on. So you can see that line started out to be parallel here and then gradually smoothed out towards the tip there. Now he's got some very cute little feathers up there. Just that little V pattern on the feathers. Then I'm going to work my way back down here to his forehead. And from here I want to have a couple of lines that sort of exaggerate that forehead shape. I'm going to have a little spiral on his cheek. And some feathery patterns there that come around the side of his cheek, so it's really following that curve. There we go. I'm quite happy with that. The only thing I might change is I might come back in with my Sharpie and actually colour in those little spots with my black Sharpie. Gosh, we've done our partridge. We've only got a few things left to do. We've got the tree trunk, the background tree, and the pear to go. My goodness, we must be getting close to Christmas now. I will see you tomorrow for December 22nd. Bye-bye.